Morning students. Now today I will explain you about the goodwill, how to adjust the goodwill, how many method you will apply to calculate the goodwill. So in the next chapter I already explain about the goodwill. There are four methods to calculate the goodwill. First, average method. Second, super profit method. Third, capitalization method, and then goodwill calculated by the capitalization method. In this chapter, we calculate the goodwill by the following conditions. There are three methods of concept, and then apply the rules and regulation कि when the partner comes into partnership firm, he bring his goodwill in cash or he bring his goodwill in credit. Okay, so now I will explain you कि whenever a partner comes into a partnership firm, he bring the goodwill in cash or credit. So method of goodwill is first average profit method, second weighted average profit method, third super profit method, and fourth capitalized profit method. In the all condition, we calculate goodwill by the following method, and then when we calculate the goodwill from the following method, we apply the following general entries in the question. Okay. First condition, when goodwill bought by new partner in cash. There are two concepts. When goodwill bought by new partner in cash. Okay, then first we apply in the cash account DR to goodwill, being goodwill bought by new partner. And these goodwill always divided into the old partner in their sacrifice ratio, whenever in the question it is given or not given. In all the condition, it will be divided into the partner in their sacrifice ratio. You will pass out the next entry, goodwill account DR to old partner capital account, being goodwill divided by old partner in their sacrifice ratio. Is that clear? Always goodwill will be divided into the old partner and their sacrifice ratio. Is that clear? That is the first part. Valuation and adjustment of goodwill. We calculate the goodwill by the following four methods: average profit method, next weighted average profit method, third super profit method, and then capitalization profit method. When we calculate the goodwill by the following four methods, then we pass out a general entry in the books of partnership firm. First, if goodwill being by the partner in cash, then we apply the following general entry, cash account DR to goodwill, being goodwill bought by new partner in cash. You can write here in cash. Okay, and the second entry will pass out, always will be pass out in the books of partnership whenever it is given in the question or not given in the question. Goodwill account DR to old partner's capital account, being goodwill divided into the partner in their sacrifice ratio, always given in the sacrifice ratio. The second point is in it, please write down the points. The second concept is कि when the partner bring goodwill, not bring goodwill in cash. The first point and the second point is when the partner, new partner देखो, when the new partner not bring goodwill in cash. Okay, in this case कि when the partner not bring goodwill in cash, we pass out the following journal entry in the books. We do not pass out the first entry, we pass out the second entry by the following condition कि new partner current account dr to old partner capital account. We pass out the second entry. New partners current account dr to old partners capital account, being goodwill divided in the old partner in their sacrifice ratio. सिर्फ कंसेप्ट क्या चेंज हो गया कि इन द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इट वाज कैश, यू विल राइट हियर कैश, यू विल पास आउट टू जनरल एंट्रीज, कैश अकाउंट dr to goodwill and then pass out the entry goodwill account dr to old partners capital account. But in that case, partner not bearing goodwill in cash, then you not pass the first entry, you will pass out the second entry, new partners current account dr to old partners capital account dr. Okay, being goodwill divided into the old partner in their old ratio in their sacrifice ratio. क्लियर? तो कैश में क्या है कि आपकी 2 एंट्री होंगी और क्रेडिट में आपकी 1 एंट्री होगी. कैश में आपकी 2 एंट्री क्यों होती है? कैश लाते हैं उसको शो किया जाता है. दूसरी कंडीशन में आपकी जो एंट्री है वो पार्टनर्स की कैपिटल डिवाइड करना ही करना है, लेकिन पहले वाले में क्या एंट्री होती है? गुडविल अकाउंट dr, और दूसरे वाले में क्या एंट्री होगी? न्यू पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट dr. कहने का मतलब है कि ये कंडीशन तब है जब पार्टनर्स कैपिटल गुडविल अपनी करंट कैश लेकर नहीं आता है, पहले वाले में कैश आपकी लेके आता है. एक बार उसको आप देख लिए ध्यान से.